Alright guys, so before we get into the video, can you do me some favors? First of all, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? And you guys should please follow me on my Instagram. The handle is FXDamiG. And I think the page should be right here or thereabout. Follow me on Instagram. And if you're interested in getting free signals on GBP free signals, free short signal with 60% spinning rate, you can go to my Telegram channel. I'll show it, I'll display it on the screen right now. You can go to my Telegram channel, join, and you can also be making money as I am making money. I think probably this week we haven't eaten any stop loss. We've been in a winning streak. We've been eating take profit since on Monday, right? So I'm trading this, recording this video on Friday. So I'm getting prepared for NFP. So before NFP, I just think I should shoot a video for you guys before I get prepared for NFP. Now, so with that being said, let's get into the next video, which we're going to talk about supply and demand. Right, so guys, supply refers to the amount of an asset that is available. Supply refers to the amount of an asset that is available, while demand is a quantity of an asset that people are willing to buy. Right, so supply refers to the amount of an asset that is available, while demand is the quantity of an asset that people are willing to buy. Just like it said, supply refers to the amount of an asset that is available, while demand is the quantity of an asset that people are willing to buy. Now that we are on the chart, let's say for example, we are on an uptrend, right? We are on an uptrend for this long, then we notice a what? A spike in price. Price start moving downward, right? Now, what happened right here is a what? Is a supply. A supply has been triggered right here. That means buyers were in the game and immediately they were in this zone, they sold what they were holding for this long. Then they start to sell it. So they started selling what they owed for this long. That means they started selling what they owed from this zone. They started selling it when it's getting to this supply level, to this downside level. So we want to, now that we've noticed that the buyers have started selling their commodities or what they are holding, we want to look for a zone whereby the market starts pushing up to the upside. So that zone is what we call the demand zone. So let's say market does around this zone. So right says what is the demand zone. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Now buyers were in this game. Buyers, they are right here. Then sellers, immediately enter the game. That means buyers start selling what they were holding to when it gets to this zone. So when it gets to this zone, what then happen? They start buying back. Right. So what is right here is called the what? It's called the supply level, which we also call what? Resistance. Hope you are getting me. And what is right here is what we call the demand level, which we also call the what? Support. Now it's as easy as ABC. I know you guys will have been hearing people talking about once they asked for their strategy, they said, okay, I trade supply and demand. Right. So this is just it. It's a very, very simple strategy, and it is not really, it's a strategy, but it's not really a strong strategy. Just something you want to use, you want to attach it to something else, you want to attach it to a strategy. You can trade it on its own, but it won't be as strong as when you trade it with another kind of strategy, right? Now, what we want to do now that we've mapped out our what? Supply and demand level. Now, let's say we notice market starts moving up from this zone. Now we can immediately enter the market when we have a what? A break above this demand level. That means buyers are already in the game. And we know that okay, where is the next place market is uh has potential of going to. Like what zone do we expect market to go? We already know that it's meant to go to where the supply level is. That means market will be heading to the what? To the supply level, which is right there. And our stop loss will be beneath the what? The demand level, which is now which this is giving us a 1:3 risk reward, right? So now we enter the trade and what market moves into our what? Our supply level again, which made us money. Right. So sometimes market tends to what? Respect the supply level multiple times. So market can also do something like this, something like this, something like this. I hope you guys understand. So now this is what we now usually call what? Triple top, triple bottom, stuff like that. Because market has been what? Rejecting off this supply level. That means sellers have been holding this supply level very, very tight. That means buyers are buying up to this point and selling it off. And they are buying again off of this point, selling it from here. And they are buying off this point, selling from here. So that is what we want to be doing. We too also want to be buying into the trading as a buy position when it's in demand, and we want to be selling it when it's in the what supply. So that is just it. Once you know what the market is talking about, you just have to play along. So once you play against what the market is talking about, that is when you guess what you get stopped out. Right? So with that being said, let's jump into the chart and let's see more of what we are talking about. Now, so all right, let's look into the live chart now. Now, as you all can see, market has been in what? In an uptrend. Sorry. Market has been in an uptrend right from this point to this what? To this point. Right? So now as you all can see, we have a what? We have some zone right here, which got broken. Now, then what now happen? Then we notice market starts rejecting off this point. That means immediately we see this week going back up. That means buyers are already entering the game. And the next candle is what? Is a bullish candle. Is a bullish engulfing candle. That is, it's engulfed the previous candle. That means we can draw our what? We can draw our demand level right there. Right from the week of this to the week of this. Then remember, the spots where market starts to reverse is what? Is the supply level. And this is it right there. So now we know this was where market starts to reject off. That means buyers sold what they were holding from this spot and they want to start to buy off this point. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about, right? So we know that all right, if we are to enter a buy position right from here, away from the break, or right from when this candle have a breakout of the demand level, right? We know the next place market will be going to, right? So we know the market will be going to this next supply level. And our stop loss should be beneath the what? Demand level. Now, with that being said, this is a 1:2:5. As you can see, market did what? Tap into the demand level again. That means markets keep rejecting of the demand level, which indicates that this demand level is a what? Is a strong level. Now, with that being said, market did what it wants to do. And what happened next? Market spiked up and grabbed liquidity that rests right here. Right, so we can either put our take profits here or can put our take profits right here. So depending on how long you want to hold your trade, so you can take half of your position right here, then let the rest run till when it's right there. All right, so let's look for another scenario indicator. All right, now this is another scenario. So right now, what we can see now is the market moving in an uptrend. Market starts to sell right from this point, and so to this extent, then we see what a move to the upside. So with that being said, we know this is our what? This is our supply level, right? And this will be our what? Our demand level. So what we want to do now is what we want to all we want to do now is okay, we want to wait for a confirmation that says that the market is what moving to the upside. Immediately we have a what a bullish engulfing candle. That means this candle right here engulfed the previous candle, and for the confirmation we have another bullish candle, which indicates to what the buyers are already in control of the market. So we can put our we can enter the market right here, put our stop loss beneath this, and I'll take profits right on this zone right there. So this is a caliber little risk reward ratio because of confirmation, but our DBM we've entered, immediately we have a bullish engulfing candle. We'll have a nice risk to reward ratio. That is, we'll have made 56 pip and we'll have been risking just 17 pips or thereabout. Yeah, just 17 pips. Right. So we know these are what? This is our supply level, because markets start to reject off that zone and have a break. If you guys notice, I'm always drawing a break of structure, right? Market had a break of structure right there. So immediately market had a break of structure right there. Any retracement to the upside, we count that zone as a demand level. So market had had the break of structure right there, and market starts to move to the upside. So immediately market starts to immediately we have a bullish engulfing candle. We enter the trade and put out take profits where the supply level is. And for some people that want to be a sniper entry, you know that alright, let's take one more chance again. Immediately enter this supply level, can go in again for a go in for a sell, and we know where to put our take profits beneath this this demand level right there. Beneath this demand level right there. And we're going to put our take profit above the supply level. Right, so that is just it about the supply and demand. And I will see you guys in the supply and demand 2.0. That means the more complicated part of supply and demand in the next video. Right, so the next video I'll be dropping now will be supply and demand 2.0. I know I've been saying I'll be dropping part 2, but actually I've been so busy. Right, so I'm going to make it up to you this time. I'm going to be dropping a supply and demand 2.0. Right, so before I move on to the next, or before we end this session, before this video go to an end, I'll really appreciate if you guys can follow me on Instagram. It's FXDamiG on Instagram, and also on Twitter, FXDamiG. Right, so, and if you are also interested in, if you are looking for where you can get free signal on GBP USD, I will drop a link, or if YouTube allow me to drop a link, but you will see it right on the screen right now. NFX Trading Academy, right? NFX Trading Academy. That is the name of my Telegram channel, and I would really appreciate if you guys can subscribe, join the Telegram channel, and follow me on Instagram. And out of all, and please like this video and drop a comment on what video should I drop next on this YouTube platform. And also I have a personal YouTube page where I talk more about my life and how my forex journey has been. It's FXDamiG on YouTube also. So if you search FXDamiG, you will see it right there.